I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Reporting suspicious activity on Bitget is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitget account. Start by logging into your Bitget account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, go to the support or help section of the platform. This is usually found at the bottom of the homepage or in the main menu. Step 3. Select Report Suspicious Activity. In the support section, look for an option that allows you to report issues with suspicious activity. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Fill out the reporting form. You will be prompted to fill out a form detailing the suspicious activity. Include as much information as possible, such as transaction ID, user ID, and a description of the issue. Note, make sure to double-check the transaction ID. A small typo can lead to delays in your report being processed. Step 5. Submit your report. After filling out the form, review your information and click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email or notification once your report is submitted. If you follow these steps, you should be able to report any suspicious activity effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out to Bitget support if you have further questions. Happy trading!